Now we will do some exercises for arthritis, sciatica and nerve problems. Start. This is for better circulation of blood. Next. This is exercise for legs. 10 times. Next, both legs together. Very good. Next, Janu Shirasana. Touch. Yes. Correct. Try to touch your knee with your nose. Try. Exhale and hold your breath. This is stretching of the nerves of the legs. Release. Inhale. Now, touch your, yes. Next. This is also good stretching exercise. Always inhale, then hold, count 10 and then exhale. Next, yes. Toes one by one, together. Look at the camera, please. Rotate. Do it with a smile, with happiness, with belief. Opposite, rotate. Next, knee. Inhale and tight your knees. Next, tight and loose. Next, keep your right leg on your left leg and stretch. The upper knee will be folded. Correct. Release other leg. Inhale, hold your breath, count 10. Okay. Next. Five times. Opposite 5 times. Simple exercise of legs for arthritis, sciatica pain, nerve problems. If you do it daily, you will get result. For pain, try to avoid taking medicines because it will damage your kidney. God has given many limbs in our body. If we do the exercise, then we will remain better. Okay. This is baby on the cradle. Baby on the cradle. Other leg. Smile, please. Yes. Baby on the cradle. Next, Bakrasan. Yes. This is also beneficial for sugar because the pancreas is getting pressure. Inhale, hold, then exhale. Do the opposite. Good. Bakrasana. Exhale. Now Loknath Baba Asana, Gomukhasana. Why this name? Our one saint Loknath Baba used to sit in this pose and he lived for 151 years. Opposite. Next, Prajapati Asana. Good. This is very good exercise for prostate gland for men and period problem for women. Now very important exercise for nerve. Nerve exercise. Hold one leg, other leg will be straight. Try to lay down on the ground on your back. Exhale and hold your breath. This is very beneficial for nerve problems. Now opposite leg. Exhale, hold your breath for 10 seconds and then inhale. Okay, remain happy and healthy.